Hi guys, welcome to this everyday makeup look. So my everyday makeup that I wear every day look. First thing I put on is sunscreen. It's important because, it protects you from sunburn and the risk of getting fine wrinkles, fine lines, and also prevents skin cancer and sunspots and all that stuff. So next I wear this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in a shade that does not match my skin tone at all, but I bought it and I'm going to use it up. So I put the tiniest amount of foundation on because I don't like wearing foundation on the daily, and I just kind of center this in the center of my face and then blend it out to the edges of my face. So I use this Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer that I've had for a billion years and probably should throw away, but I won't because it's kind of amazing. And I'll use this to make my foundation match the rest of my face. And I kind of go hard because I just don't know. I also like to use this bronzer to contour my nose because I don't even know why I'm trying to justify it. I just do it. It's just a thing I do. Yeah. Also, I use it as eyeshadow because why not? I mean, it's a good color and it's subtle and it smells like chocolate and I don't know, it works, I guess. So that's just what I do, and I feel like the less makeup products that I use, the better for some reason. I don't know what the logic is behind that, but it just makes me feel like it works. I don't know. This blush by NYX is something I also need to throw out, but I won't. Blush on the nose is a thing that I've picked up from watching other people do it. I don't know why I do it, I just do it because other people do it, pretty much. This e.l.f. Pinktastic Baked Blush is amazing. I use it to highlight. I don't think I would ever use it as a blush, but I don't know. I just use it as a highlight for my nose, and I use it as a eyeshadow for the inner corner of my eye because, again, lazy. Also, disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist. I just do this because I can. And if I've gone too crazy with the highlighter, I kind of just tone it down with more bronzer. Vaseline for the lips because it's a classic. And funny story, my dog actually ate all all of my eyebrow products, so I use this instead. Yeah. Probably not conventional, but functional, right? That's what we're all about. It's just making do with what we have. Close enough is good enough. Am I right, guys? I'm right. This stuff I'm almost out of, the Rimmel eyeliner. I use it so often, so frequently. I like it. That's why I'm almost out of it and need to get more, but I like it because it's super easy to smudge. It's not waterproof or anything, so. Then I have to curl my eyelashes because I do. This mascara was like the cult favorite of the YouTube beauty community back in like circa 2008, and I jumped on the bandwagon and I guess just never got off. Also, it's really wet and takes forever to dry, so yeah. And this thing, this Wet n Wild Mega Lasting lipstick too, is like 100 years old and tastes like Crayola, but I use it because I have it. Also, kids, don't let your parents put your hair up in high ponytails. When you're young, your hairline will recede. So that's it. Bye.